Now, if I told you you could take a 5/8 11 straight flute tap, put it into a 1/2 inch impact gun, and go through 1/4 inch plus thickness material, what would you say? First, we start off with a 9/16 step drill. Then we get to work with a straight flute 5/8 11 tap. This new VersaDrive kit from HMT, Hole Maker Technologies, is a freaking game changer when it comes to quick, fast, efficient metalworking. If this little demo wasn't enough to quench your thirst, be sure to check out the full review video down here. I'm telling you guys, HMT, the proof, it's in the impact.